Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. Today I'm going to give you guys an update on my inverter install video that was about 5 months ago. Be sure to subscribe if you like what you saw and if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing. If you watch my inverter install video, then you'll like this video. It's been about 5 months since I installed it and we've had a great run with it. We used it every single day for 5 months, all the time while we were driving down the road, so it'd be charging or running the refrigerator, so we weren't using propane. We used it overnight for boondocking a lot. We did come to realize that our battery bank is a little bit too small for our needs. We do need one more battery about the same size. So right now I'm currently looking into that and adding a third battery, so we'll keep you updated with that. But one day the inverter just stopped working, and when I contacted Voltworks, the manufacturer, they did some troubleshooting with me and came to believe that it was a mods piece. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I know how to install an inverter. I don't know how the inverter works on the inside. So I just went ahead and went a couple emails back and forth, and they sent me a brand new one. So here's me swapping it out. They covered the warranty, no problem. Just a couple of emails, and they sent me a brand new one. So we're gonna go ahead and just swap this out. This should be super simple, super easy. Literally just unplug my communication wire, detach that, unscrew my positive and negative back there, detach it, reattach the new one, plug in, plug in, plug in. Super easy. Done. Well, as you can see, replacing an inverter is a whole lot easier than installing an inverter. A lot less wiring to do, and this was just a simple unplug and replug situation. So again, if you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. I'll drop a link in there as well to the from Amazon where I purchased this. This is not an affiliate link. It's just where I bought it from. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.